Yes, even the perfect vehicle like a Lexus requires maintenance. Let's take a look. 2007 RX 350 second generation. The old struts, time and rust has gotten through these. Now you see the clips there. On the new ones, do not remove the clips. I repeat, you do not have to remove the clips. There are BITCH to put them back on. Now on the old ones, I don't care. Make note of how the old ones came off with the piston part at the bottom. The new strut there with the clip on. You will need a flat head screwdriver. So removing the old struts, well, I suppose removing the old struts, it doesn't matter breaking the clip or popping it out. But on the new one, on the new strut, what you want to do is pop out the clip, maybe a 1/8 inch top. So what you do is grab the strut by two hands and kind of like jiggle it on. That's what she said. It'll work. Now, I couldn't show you the whole thing because I had to do this with two hands. By the way, have a 2x4 to hold the hatchback or else it'll zonk you on the head. These are the old clips. The new struts are on. Again, you just kind of like pop them on, jiggle them on. It's not that hard. There's the clip that I bent. I popped out by mistake. And let's see what happens here. Hey, it works that way. Let's see from the inside and see what happens. Well, what do you know? It works. Yay!